Lástima, because there was two dogs running in the middle of the street. And they almost were hitting them. No, I had to call. I know, and then people don't.
Took forever. What the fuck? It's too dark in here. Oh, you like that fresh cut though? What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. We're back again. Today is gonna be a pretty fun day. We're gonna take the new Tacoma, well, new to me Tacoma, off-roading for the first time. We're first gonna actually remove this. That. Look. See that? It's like at least 10 inches from that black thing to the ground. If we take that off, we're gonna have from here, from here all the way to the ground, I believe. Pretty simple. We need to remove 2 bolts from the inner part of the plastic, which will be somewhere around there, and around 4 bolts that are underneath in the front. They're 10mm bolts. Get a deep socket and a wrench and take those suckers out, and that thing should pop right off. So we're gonna head over to my friend's house. He has a 4Runner, and we're gonna take this off and we're gonna go off-roading, have some fun in this thing, man. This is what it's meant for. I'm pretty excited, guys, so let's head over there.
Just tell me when you're kind of by Hawkins or something.
If you have an SR5, TRD, Sport, regular truck is gonna come with that weird plastic. They call it an air dam. Take that mother off, because it's just gonna fuck with your clearance. But it looks fucking great.
That's as high as this.
Alrighty, it's time to roll. Again, it's not gonna be a full-on like camping trip or stuff like that. It's just gonna be just for fun. I've never
been really off-roading with any vehicle aside from the Jeep, and it wasn't even fully capable like I had said in the previous video. So I'm pretty excited. We're gonna take this bad girl off-roading. Gonna follow our boy Rudy. I might have to buy a drone so that I can take some aerial shots of the trips and stuff like that. That way it looks more legit. But yeah, let's go and see where we can get some off-road done. I'm pretty excited, especially with that thing removed. Oh, it looks great. It looks just like a regular TRD off-road 4x4 truck. But anyway, guys, let's head over to our destination and try to get some nice clips, shall we? See you there. What are you doing?
Saluda. Alondra.
Are you there?
Alright guys, we are here at the location. We're gonna probably follow Rudy down into the sack. That's what it's called. Oh man, we're gonna have so many adventures. Again, I'm gonna buy a drone so that we can get some nice footage from top. Vámonos. So I already locked it into the 4 high, so we should be good to go. So we're gonna follow Rudy and see what the fuck we can. Really need some tires.
Well.
I don't think I'll be able to get to the place yet.
What do you mean, like up there?
Yeah.
We do need tires, huh? We can go get on it.
We have the lift.
Oh, those are what you bought, right?
Yeah. Just need the tires. It's because this sand is like so loose.
Mm-hmm. What the fuck, bean cheese? What are they doing all over here? This is not
Is
even
this a soccer field or? I didn't know this shit was a soccer field. Oh, he's gonna take me to those or what? See how beautiful those tires are for this?
Yeah,
Just look at this. It's like
they struggle a little bit.
yeah, because they're not as aggressive.
When do we get our tires?
I can get them now, but I don't have the money.
Oh,
That's $300 for 5 or 6.
I thought you just said you bought them for me.
No, I bought the wheels, the rims.
Oh, okay. I have 200 right now on our account. I think we're waiting for something.
Oh, sorry. Let me stop.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're here as you saw. This truck is fully capable. Fully capable of anything. I mean, keep in mind these are just regular, I guess. I don't know what HT means, something terrain. So it's definitely gonna struggle. It'll be okay, and all of a sudden we have like 10,000 people here just decided to come up. But we're gonna take some pictures. We're gonna keep on trailing here in a bit. We're waiting for one of our friends. So let's get all of a sudden, so we're gonna wait for one of our buddies, the Forerunner as well. We're gonna keep on trailing. Hopefully we can get some more trailing videos. But I'm gonna take some pictures here in a few, and yeah, we'll go from there. That's gonna be fun.
Straight. Where he's going.
It's like super loose gravel here. We're gonna take a picture of what?
Oh my god. It was fun, baby.
Look at this. Perks of being in the wild. I know I don't have the equipment for me to film like how I want to film, especially for off-roading, because I'm kind of new to the off-roading scene. So I really need to get like a drone and maybe some footage outside the car. What the fuck is that? But it was hella fun, and thanks to Rudy for taking us out and showing us some trails out there, even though we kind of really didn't know where to go. It was just hella fun. And look at that. Look at that clearance. So, I don't know. I'm just extremely excited about this new journey with now a Tacoma. Wanted to get one since a long time ago. A lot of stuff is going to come soon. You guys are going to see. But that's going to be it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did driving and filming and just enjoying the outdoors. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content, especially for this truck right here, and probably going to be seeing more of this. We're also having a Camaro in here, 69 I believe, so we might be reviewing that soon as well. But this is where I'm going to end it, guys. Again, a lot more stuff is going to come for this bad boy right there. I'm so excited, guys. But anyway, this is where I'm going to end it. Until next time, peace out.